statue in Chikballapur is more than just a monumental sculpture. It is a spiritual beacon that draws individuals seeking inner peace and transformation through yoga. Its serene location, combined with spiritual significance of Yati Yogi, makes it a must visit for anyone interested in yoga, meditation, and spirituality. This statue is a part of a broader initiative by Isha Foundation, which aims to promote yoga and meditation as tools for individual transformation and well being. Located at the foothills of Nandi Hills, it provides a serene and picturesque backdrop. This location is approximately 60 kilometers from Bangalore, making it accessible for both locals and tourists. You can either choose to hire a cab or take a AC bus from Majestic to reach Adiyogi. The road to the destination is filled with picturesque landscapes. Last weekend, we decided to visit Adiyogi to witness the light show. The light and sound show typically starts around 7:15 in the evening. The show lasts for 15 minutes. The light show illuminates the Adiyogi statue in the spectrum of colors, highlighting its features and creating a mesmerizing effect against the night sky. Accompanying sound includes chants, music, and narratives that delve into the significance of Adiyogi and essence of yoga. This narrative is designed to evoke a sense of peace and introspection. The show often focuses on themes of spirituality, journey of self-discovery, and transformative power of yoga. It also includes stories and teachings related to Lord Shiva and yogic traditions. The show is set against a natural backdrop of Nandi Hills, adding to the mystical and serene environment. Lord Shiva, as Adiyogi, is celebrated as the fountainhead of yogic sciences. According to the ancient lore, Shiva transmitted the knowledge of yoga to the Saptarishis, laying the foundation for spiritual tradition that transcended millennia. This tradition emphasizes the union of individual self with the universal consciousness, guiding seekers towards enlightenment and inner peace. The Adiyogi statue encapsulates this profound heritage. Standing at 21 feet tall, amidst serene and picturesque backdrop, symbolizes the 112 methods or pathways through which one can achieve self-realization and well-being. The number 112 is also significant in yogic philosophy, representing the 112 chakras or energy points in the human body, each offering a unique gateway to higher state of consciousness. The Adiyogi statue in Coimbatore is 112 feet tall. The Adiyogi statue is much more than a monumental sculpture. It's a symbol of timeless wisdom, inner transformation, and enduring power of yoga. Through its serene presence and efforts of Isha Foundation, the statue continues to inspire millions, guiding them on a path of self discovery and spiritual growth. As a beacon of yogic heritage, Adiyogi stands as a reminder of infinite potential within each individual to transcend limitation and achieve a state of unity and peace. Hope you get a chance to visit this marvelous place and experience the serenity and spirituality that we witnessed.
जटाटवीगलज्जलप्रवाहपावितस्थले घलेवलम्ब्यलम्बिताम्बुजङ्गमट्टमट्टमट्टमन्निनादमट्टमर्वयं चकारचण्डताण्डवं तनोतु नः शिव शिवम् जटाकटाः सम्भ्रमभ्रमन्निलिम्पनिर्जरी विलोलवीचिवल्लरी विराजमानमूर्धनि धगद्धगज्ज्वलल्ललाटकट्टप्रावके किशोरचन्द्रशेखरे रतिप्रदीक्षणम् मम जटाटवीगलज्जलप्रवाहपावितस्थले घलेवलम्ब्यलम्बिताम्बुजङ्गमट्टमट्टमट्टमन्निनादमट्टमर्वयं चकारचण्डताण्डवं तनोतु नः शिव शिवम् जटाकटाः सम्भ्रमभ्रमन्निलिम्पनिर्जरी विलोलवीचिवल्लरी विराजमानमूर्धनि धगद्धगद्धगज्ज्वलल्ललाटकट्टप्रावके किशोरचन्द्रशेखरे रतिप्रदीक्षणम् मम जटाटवीगलज्जलप्रवाहपावितस्थले घलेवलम्ब्यलम्बिताम्बुजङ्गमट्टमट्टमट्टमन्निनादमट्टमर्वयं चकारचण्डताण्डवं तनोतु नः शिव शिवम् जटाकटाः सम्भ्रमभ्रमन्निलिम्पनिर्जरी विलोलवीचिवल्लरी विराजमानमूर्धनि धगद्धगद्धगज्ज्वलल्ललाटकट्टप्रावके किशोरचन्द्रशेखरे रतिप्रदीक्षणम् मम
See you all soon with a new video. Until then, take care and bye bye.